We going to Area 15. I don't know why I kept calling it Area 51, but Area 15. Dope. Dope. Vegas life. Yeah.
Welcome to Area 15.
So we here, Area 15. Got the strip over there. Win, Encore. Yeah. Vegas life.
All right, so we're gonna try this new thing where Kwame talks and then I talk, you know, just to keep things interesting. So when you walk into Area 15, they have a whole bunch of different attractions. So we went to Omega Mart, of course, and it's just hilarious in there. So when you're in the actual grocery store part, it's just a bunch of satire. Like, all of the products that you see have some sort of craziness written on them. There's videos playing that are hysterical. Like, it's crazy. Like, look at this. What is the true essence of butter? Instead of, I can't believe it's not butter. Like, things like that is really funny. And then, of course, you know, the best part is the hidden doors. So this is one of the first hidden doors that we found. And once you go through it, you end up in this whole other universe. And it is just so cool and trippy to be in there. Like, the different graphics and the lighting and the sounds and everything. It's just really awesome. Just to have that experience. So this is another entryway that we climbed through. Yeah, that was pretty fun. And then it takes you into another little universe there. This was my favorite part, the common area here. It had like some of the most beautiful lighting, and just everything was really nice. So yeah, enjoy some of our little walkthrough here. So this area right here is where we ended our journey. It's a hallway that has a whole bunch of different doors, and each door has something crazy inside. This was our favorite one. We didn't want to show you guys everything because you need to go check it out for yourself, but this was our favorite one. All the mirrors in there, as you can hear him say, it's crazy. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Peace.